What happened to the people down in South Africa, Angola, and Ghana, and Botswana? This is not a question, this is just an answer. I'm talking to the dictators, to the boss, to the leader, and the background masters. Everybody cry. Everybody ball. Everybody cry. Everybody ball. Freedom, Africans, freedom. Freedom, Africans, freedom. Freedom, Africans, freedom. Freedom, Africans, freedom. I'm not a racist, I'm just stating a fact. Wake up every African, your color is black. To the mother